Right now we'll head up the beach, visit with the morning crew. morning, young man.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Just wanted to say good morning, Russell.
How are you there? Everybody doing well?
Somebody broke in, get himself some action. Who knows? Morning, morning. Good morning, good morning.
I don't think. Oh, this is new?
Yes, yes, I'm going to capture our morning rendezvous on a GoPro.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, yeah. This is everyone. This is Diana, the lovely lady Diana.
Oh my God, and now you take it all. Oh, wow. Oh my God, the gadgets.
We're going to capture all of this.
Look at Maria.
Oh my God, there they are.
Maria and Lisa.
What a beautiful morning, huh?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, well, it's quiet this morning. Not too
It's
many
quiet,
people.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I don't know. It's beautiful.
Yes.
It's
How's the cat? How are the cats
The
doing?
cats are doing great.
Excellent.
The cats, you can take a look at them.
I'm gonna go film the project that we did.
It's staying open.
Is it?
Staying
Oh,
open.
what? That's
Yeah.
good.
And
Either way, they
staying
figure
open.
it out.
And well, but it's staying open and no
Yeah.
one's closing it.
Yeah, excellent.
So good.
All right, how are you, honey? Good?
Good, I'm good.
Good, good,
I'm good. I'm gonna go get my coffee.
Excellent.
Because I walked extra with Maria.
All right. I will see you later. Maria, Maria. What is she doing? Hello, say good morning.
Good morning.
I've
cool.
GoPro'd the entire journey up
Cool,
from
that
the
is
condo.
cool.
How are you ladies this morning?
Oh, we're so good.
We are very blessed. Another way to start our day with the Hollywood Beach Morning Crew.
Yes.
Guess
And
what?
How you been?
I have been absolutely epic, and
Epic?
I
like that word, epic.
I have.
I am epic. I feel epic.
My bike hit 1,000 yesterday.
Oh my God.
1,024 miles.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
Oh yes.
But anyway, I was just talking to Diana. She said the cat door is working remarkably. Have you seen
See, I saw you did a great job.
MacGyver construction
You did a
work?
great job.
Let's
Let
go
me
over
tell
and
you,
show
you
everyone.
should be the commissioner
Commissioner?
or the
No.
mayor of Hollywood.
No, I'll just take the unofficial Mayor of Hollywood Beach title and
Look at this.
look at there. Look at
Beautiful.
that.
Look at the cat.
Look at cat.
Hello, baby.
Yeah, they had to board it up for safety reasons, but I
good
took
job.
and made a cat door with that screen.
You did a great job.
And these cats keep all the rodents away from
That's
this
right.
establishment.
That's right. That's why we keep them around our neighborhood.
Absolutely, that's great. Absolutely.
I'm sorry, but I don't feed them. But
You know, when I was growing up, we had cats that I was used to, but they carried swords. They were called Thunder Cats.
Thunder cards.
Remember the cartoon, the Thundercats?
I believe it where you lived in the country.
I know, exactly, up there, definitely.
That reminded me of my area where I was born.
Yeah, yeah, awesome.
Lots of trees and
Yeah.
dirt.
Speaking of trees, I'm going to head up to the mangroves. So you ladies have a great morning.
You too.
All right, this will be on the YouTube channel, Jamie SoFlo. I'll share it on social media.
Yes, why not?
All
So I
right.
could show
Tell them to share it and like it.
Yes, I will.
Tell them.
Come and visit Hollywood.
Yes.
Yes, this is paradise. We love it.
Yes, it is.
It's the best. And you meet the best, the greatest people.
Neat
Like
time.
Jamie.
Yes. Awesome. All right. Take care, girls. Have a good one. Have a great morning. All right. This brings us north of the beach now. Later, Russell. This brings us north of the beach now. We're heading towards the north of the Broadwalk. where North Beach begins the dog beach of Hollywood. This area here begins North Beach. Hollywood Beach goes miles down that way. That tall building in the background you'll see is the Diplomat Resort. I currently live right next door. And North Beach begins right here. Here we are at the beginning of North Beach. Goes into Dania Pier area. Good morning. Keating Beach, North Beach. Beginning of the Dog Beach. Good morning. Nice picnic area here. We actually had a Guzzle Fitness party not too long ago here, barbecue and gathering. This lane here is the bike lane. Gets a little sandy at times. You can almost wipe out, as you can see. This turn gets a little hairy. The city's really good about bringing the street sweeper in and taking up the sand for cyclists and people that ride their bikes. A lot of skaters are here. Good morning. Question for you. I said good morning. Question for you.
Hi.
I just got a pair of. I'm filming you if that's okay. I'm doing a capture.
I'm taking pictures of myself, so it's fine.
Okay, good. The 3-wheel versus the 4-wheel rollerblades. How do you like them?
These are faster.
They are faster. I just got a new set.
Learn how to like
Stop, right?
Stop like this. Yeah, you can put them on, but no.
I'm gonna put mine on today. I just got them in the mail. So.
Oh, they're good.
Are they? Okay, good. Excellent. Well, what's your name?
Paola.
Paola.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jamie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy the beach.
You too. Nice bike.
Thank you. So everyone, that's Paola. I'm gonna try my skates on today. I've got 3 wheels. After work this afternoon, I will be jumping on them and giving them a whirl on the Broadwalk. So stay tuned for a roller skate video. Actually, rollerblade video. The 3-wheel rollerblades versus the 4-wheel were an option that I opted for. So stay tuned. With Hollywood coming through here. Coming up on your right is a house. Forgive me for not knowing the full story. Good morning. The gentleman, the family that owned this house, donated the house to the efforts of Turtle Refuge. So, Turtle Rescue. Morning. So this area here is the Sea Turtle Rescue area. It's basically an educational marine center that gives you the insights of what the sea turtle efforts are going on in the area. They track and locate all the nesting areas using GPS technology. And the family name was Carpenter. This is the Carpenter house. We actually did and will continue to do our Hollywood Groundhog's Day plunge with all the folks from the area right here at this facility. There's talk it might be moved down the beach. I know that some of the local businesses would like to see it back down on the Broadwalk. But Mr. Henry Carpenter, God bless him for his service, retired from New York, and Rachel owned the A&P grocery store chain, so her family. So this was their summer home. Henry and June Carpenter lived out the rest of their days in this house. When Henry passed away, the property was purchased by Broward County. It was not given. See what happens when you read things? It was actually purchased by Broward County with funds from Safe Parks and Lands bond, and the Florida Communities Trust to kind of preserve this site. So, well done, Broward County. They purchased this facility for the turtle effort. So, there's another local. Good morning. So in this area, you could come up and park and obviously bring your pups up to the beach and have a safe, fun time with your pets. Now, coming up on your left, there's an area that Jen Garrigan and Joe and I were riding up to the pier one day, and a dinosaur came out in front of her. Well, that's what she calls the dinosaur. Good morning. Getting some coconuts from the trees, fresh coconuts. Anyway, back to the dinosaur story. Good morning. The dinosaur ran across the road here, and Jenny thought it was trying to attack her and eat the tires on the bike. But Joe and I were laughing hysterically. So these are all beach access points here. Biola is actually going pretty fast. Those three-wheel skates are definitely faster. This is still continues to be surf road, but yeah, they are very fast, as you can see. And this drops back into a residential neighborhood, still in Hollywood Beach. Another small beach area here. Locals come and enjoy the sunrise. That area that's roped off there is a turtle site where there are turtle eggs. Good morning, folks. Morning. And that's kind of a way for them to keep people away from the turtle nesting sites and have them marked. So, good morning. This area goes all the way up to Dania Pier. Quarter deck is a great place to eat, great sushi, great staff. So definitely on the north end of the beach here in the town of Dania is where the quarter deck resides. This area up on the right here by this gentleman is a new storm mitigation site. After our last Category 1 hurricane last year, this area got washed out. So the city put this together to keep some of that storm surge back. But that is Dania Pier. You can go out on that pier for $2, fish all day. A lot of folks fish out there. Giant pelicans literally hang out on the poles there, scooping up the dead bait that the fishermen are tossing for them to consume. This house here has been here quite some time. It's not high tide yet, but as the tide comes in, you'll notice that that seawall gets, you know, a little bit of a beating with the tides pushing against it, especially on windy days. We're gonna head back down the beach to this area. This is that long. Right, literally up against the sea. Those skates are actually wicked fast. I can't wait to skate today. This afternoon. Have a great day, folks. And we head back down the beach. So there's our northern trip. Typically I do this run every morning before 8 a.m. I'll get back in time to make a quick breakfast and then you know, start my work day. So the beauty about cybersecurity and AI technology is you can do it from just about anywhere. Working remote is definitely a lifestyle that I've had the privilege to uphold for almost 2 decades now. So it's a pretty epic life to live, and living here in paradise makes it even better. A lot of fitness here. I can tell you, when I first moved here last year, I was 30 pounds heavier, and just by attrition, good morning. Just by you know, getting out, getting active, e-bike or not, I pedal quite a bit. Yes, this is an e-bike, but I pedal, you know, hundreds of miles a year, and definitely appreciate it. The other part is we have a fitness program led by our coach, Tyler Guzzo Fitness, and that has helped me kind of live a healthier lifestyle. Tyler's a great coach. We do a Saturday morning, 9 a.m. in the summertime workout, 10 a.m. in the fall, winter, and spring months, right in front of Yogurt Your Way on Hollywood Beach. So definitely a great sense of community, but also a great way to get and stay fit. This area here, Surf Road, is a one-way road, northbound. I was told by one of our local legends who now lives in Georgia, Ridge, that used to own a motel on the beach. I used to ride with him quite a bit. He gave me the dime tour of Hollywood several times. A lot of the kids would come up here after school and on the weekends and hang out here on Surf Road. This is kind of like the locals' place to be for the local youth. The beach is kind of off the beaten path a little bit, a little more touch of nature to it. We're coming back up on the park area here. I don't know about you, but I can tell you the smell of charcoal really just brings back, you know, memories from my childhood. And they say there's some type of memory recall or something tied to that. That being said, you'll see on any given day quite a few folks up here barbecuing. The kids and I are going to do that either tonight or tomorrow, preferably tonight, a little bit further north up at the state park. We can bring Broly, the pup, there and barbecue, you know, some chicken or steak or whatever not. Maybe some shrimp, who knows. But nothing like barbecuing. Coming back up on the Broadwalk as we are leaving this area here in North Beach. Video is probably, I'm guessing, going to approach an hour by the time I splice the two segments together. So hopefully you guys are all enjoying this first ever video of Hollywood Beach. There'll be a lot more to come. We'll talk about a lot of different things going on the beach, and I plan to also incorporate cybersecurity and some of the other great things in technology world today in some of my talks, as well as some of my travels. You get to come with me on some of my trips, driving cybersecurity and AI security awareness across our great nation. Have a great day. The area through here has some private residences. Then we start picking up a lot of the privately owned motels. One thing that's pretty charming about Hollywood is these privately owned motels are, really charming, I guess, for lack of a better word, where you can go and have a pretty cool experience. This is the largest boardwalk, what we call the Broadwalk, in Florida. This area, it definitely brings a lot of folks to our beach, and the Broadwalk, as we call it, Broadwalk, it is very family friendly. Definitely on the weekends, you'll see in some of my videos coming up, the family culture here in Hollywood Beach is pretty epic. I'm not saying that about any other beaches in Florida. There are a lot of wonderful beaches in this beautiful state, but Hollywood just has that certain charm to it. So y'all be the judge. As we're coming back into the Neptune and Riptide area, Diana likes to feed her cats that she had fixed down in this area as her daily routine. So there is Walkabout, where dear friends of mine, cybersecurity friends of mine, Chris and Jamie, kind of work there in the evening hours. The Marriott is right here. Great hotel, great staff. General manager's an awesome guy. They have a Latitudes restaurant there that's pretty epic. And then there's one of my buddies from the beach.
Great
Good
day,
morning,
buddy.
brother. You too. Have a great day. A lot of great people on this beach. If we look to your right, Diana should be over in this area, coming up on maybe the other side of Riptide, spending time with some of those cats that she's taken care of for the past several years. Here she is now. You can spot her right here. I don't want to startle the cats. I'm just noise in the background I'm going to share with you in a moment. Feet dropping on the ground. There's Diana's morning routine. We got a peek of some of the cats that are just on the other side of that fence. And there's Diana right there. Not even noticing my presence. Just giving everyone the dime tour of Hollywood and some of the ongoings of the morning. So there should be some parrots around here somewhere. There they are. This area has several parrots. Oh, there they are. Wild parrots. I'm told they're so noisy it's mating time of year. But at any given time you'll have 4 sets, maybe 8 birds. And those aren't parrots, but you'll see the one right down the branches. You'll see them cackling away throughout the day. And these are wild parrots, folks. They are green parrots. This area right here on the left side is what we call the bike lane. Every morning you'll see a lot of folks pedaling or skating or just getting their morning exercise here on the Hollywood Beach Broadwalk. Some of the markings here you see are kind of faded. I'm sure the city is going to brighten them up, just make it a little more visible for some of the folks that don't realize it's a bike lane. From a safety standpoint, each one of these crossings, cyclists must be definitely slowing down at these cross intersections. It's, you'll see some folks get a bit frustrated when the folks are walking in the bike lane. But you know what? It takes two. We need to be respectful of the pedestrians that are here on our beach. Many of them are locals or are tourists coming here, supporting this economy. So we want to make sure that Hollywood is a very family-friendly place. So that alarm is still going off up here. Hollywood police making their presence on the beach. But all these cross areas here, somebody that's on a bike needs to slow down. Let people cross safely. It's generally where kids are showering or folks are showering coming off the beach, and it's a trafficked area. So with that, morning. Great little coffee shop here in the morning. Great espressos served there. And this alarm is what's going off is in this building here. This building's under construction, so I'm sure it's some type of glitch. Not to say somebody wouldn't break into an empty building under construction, but it doesn't seem to be a high threat level. Coming up into this area now, you'll start to see there is Nick's. Bob, the owner, and I were just chatting the other day. Nick's is a staple here on Hollywood Beach. They literally have been here for many, many years. It's a great place to get food, outdoor atmosphere, as well as an indoor atmosphere. But it's also our 4 a.m. Bar on the beach. But from a bar standpoint, it doesn't give it enough justice. Literally a place that serves seafood and has great entertainment. Cliff, a dear friend of mine, is the DJ here that provides a very interactive experience every night here at Nick's. So when you're in Hollywood, you want a great place to come, make sure you check out Nick. So definitely a great place. Sahara, a great place. Got ice cream, obviously, here on the beach. There's some other businesses around the corner here, which I can go into and show you. I'll show you when they're all open one of these evenings. But this area here is what you call the Margaritaville area of Hollywood Beach. This resort was put in, and it really upgraded all of the storefronts here in this area, and including bringing entertainment, I believe 4 days a week here at the Hollywood Beach Band Shell. It's what we call the Band Shell. So there is entertainment Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday here in Hollywood Beach, and Margaritaville definitely is a big sponsor of these efforts. Flow Rider here will be running later. This is a surf chamber, so maybe we'll get some footage of me jumping on a board here sometime soon. And then you have Land Shark Bar and Grill tied to the resort. This area here is kind of a artificial turf grass area for families and kids to play, and folks come do yoga workouts and just enjoy the beach area right here near the Margaritaville Resort. A lot of cute shops here, beach shops here. You've got a convenience store that's right in here in this market. Great guy that runs that place. More bike rentals here, and then you've got an ice cream place that has pretty amazing waffle cones, as I understand it. But it's a unique experience here. It's called Puffles. So Puffles, as you can see, you can choose your waffle flavor, you choose your ice cream flavor, and you pick your toppings. Kind of like a make your own sundae for all of you folks in upstate New York and the Northeast. You know, Stewart's is our ice cream favorite, and you can kind of pick your own toppings there as well. But neat experience. I did not see these refreshers though. They look pretty good. We'll have to try one of them. This is a side entrance here to Margaritaville. Across the street on the Intercoastal Waterway is a Margaritaville kind of beach bar and restaurant right there on the Intercoastal side of Hollywood Beach. And Hollywood Beach is an island. Morning, lads. Good to see you. And Hollywood Beach is on an island, so you can imagine it's quite a quaint experience when you go from restaurants on the Intercoastal side to the oceanfront side. And heading back down the beach here. I'm gonna tell him his phone light is on his back pocket. Excuse me, folks. He got a light in his back pocket. I don't have a dead battery. Hey, buddy, your phone light's on in your back pocket. Your light is on in your pocket. Teléfono. Sí, your light. Sí, mira. No, ahí.
Oh, thank you, sir.
No problem. Guy's out here working. I'd hate to see him have a dead battery halfway through his work day. That would suck. Not everyone is like me and carries 9 charge packs when they're out and about. So yeah, this is the Margaritaville Resort here. You can enter through here. This area along the beach allows for beach shack snacks. You go in there, they got a pretty cool pool area. Great place to stay. They've got another raised pool as well up above. And a bar outside here, and then one inside as well. Good morning. And then we move down the beach a little further here. This is Hotel Sheridan. It's a place called Yogurt Your Way. One of the entrepreneurs of Hollywood Beach and dear friend of ours. Name is Marisol. This is Marisol on this back here. Yogurt Your Way is a big supporter of Gozo Fitness program here on the beach in Hollywood, and she's a wonderful woman. You know, she proposed to me last weekend, and I broke her heart. I told her I couldn't marry her, but you know, who knows? Stay tuned to these videos on the YouTube channel.
Excuse me, you want to marry with me?
And stay tuned to my YouTube channel of the trials and tribulations of Marisol and Jamie. So it's Jamie Soflo on YouTube, as you are watching now. I'm going to share it on all social media platforms. And we will have a lot more banter to come. Don't you promise that? You're going to cook dinner for Joe? Marisol, are you going to cook dinner for my son?
Baby, I made dinner for your son because he's my grandson. You are my son.
Oh, yes. She calls me her son. I do love her to pieces. She's an amazing woman and a hard-working businesswoman here at the beach. You got to come to Yogurt Your Way. They have epic protein shakes, protein drinks, as well as a lot of fun sweets and hot dogs and great coffee. Just a great experience. So stop by Yogurt Your Way here on the beach. We're going to keep moving southward. Hasta luego. And we will move down into our next place of business, which is the one and only Venice. And there is the owner, Chris, who is also a jeweler. Chris works